Welcome to our comprehensive overview of Poloniex, the go-to platform for all your cryptocurrency trading needs. Poloniex is a user-friendly yet powerful exchange offering access to a vast range of digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies. Its intuitive interface is designed to cater to both beginners and experienced traders, featuring real-time market data, advanced trading tools, and seamless order execution. To get started, visit Poloniex and create an account in minutes. Upon signing up, you'll gain access to spot trading with competitive fees. Poloniex also offers margin trading for those looking to leverage their positions, and futures trading for more sophisticated strategies. The exchange's liquidity ensures smooth transactions, and its robust security measures protect your funds at all times. Before proceeding with any major transactions, let me tell you about a fantastic opportunity. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Back to Poloniex. The platform supports staking as well, allowing you to earn rewards on your idle crypto holdings. The streamlined wallet system makes managing your assets convenient, with features like instant transfers and clear transaction histories. Moreover, Poloniex customer support is available 24/7, ensuring that any issues or questions are resolved promptly. Don't miss the chance to explore Poloniex features and take your cryptocurrency trading to the next level. Sign up through the link in the description to unlock your bonus and get started today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful crypto guides. And don't forget to like this video to help others discover Poloniex.